Beltone Amaze is packed with cutting-edge features that set new standards for sound quality and situational awareness. Just like the human ear, it automatically focuses on speech, so you can hear what's being said, even in the most crowded or noisy sound environments. Beltone Amaze allows you to hear even the finest details with more clarity. And it brings you a richer, clearer, and fuller sound compared to other hearing aids. So go out and make every day amazing with our most complete and premium hearing care solution yet.